In this video, we will be showing you how you can build an Aether Portal in Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. To access the Aether biome, you will need exactly 10 blocks of glowstone and exactly 1 bucket of water. Make sure that you have installed the Aether mod beforehand. This will not work without that mod installed. This mod is currently only available in Java Edition from what I've seen, but there is Minecraft add-ons that you can purchase in the Minecraft store for Minecraft Bedrock. Start by placing 4 blocks of glowstone on the ground in a row. Then build up 4 blocks high on both sides. Finish off by filling in this blank space between the 2 pillars. It should look something like this. Once your portal frame is complete, simply right click right inside of the portal with the water bucket. This is what it'll look like if you do not have the mod installed. But that is it. That is how you can build yourself an Aether Portal in Minecraft, Bedrock Edition, and Java Edition, depending on which mods you have currently installed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you are brand new. Have a good rest of your day.